Hi guys, so today I have something fun and new to share with you. Some fun new things that LDRS Creative, or Little Darlings, however you know them, sent in for me to try out, to review, make tutorials, however it is. So I took a quick peek. I will open this here with you guys because there are a few items here that are on the LDRS Creative website. Whatever links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. And LDRS did send these items free of charge for my review. And of course, all opinions are my own. But some of the items will be on HSN. So I'll have the links for either spot, in accordance to, where they are, of course. So let me open this up. So thank you so much, Angie. Angie's the creator there of LDRS. And if you haven't seen her YouTube channel, check it out. She has lives, I believe, every Thursday, and then, sprinkled in here and there. And they're really fun. And her husband, moderates there. And so it's just a family thing. And then, of course, all these cute things. And you guys are probably familiar with LDRS, probably more from HSN. I guess it depends on, where you're coming from or what you're viewing. But when I open this up, thank you so much. She sent her inks, which I'm super curious to try out. I think I have a really, really old pad. And then I've been commenting a lot of my ink pads, my older ink pads are starting to dry out from, other brands and things. So it's really nice to have this to use. So she sent a big guy of the black ink, and it is hybrid ink, which again, you can use water-based markers with this, water-based, inks. On top of this, let's say you stamp something and then you also want to do some distressing and things like that. It's not going to smear or smudge your stamping. And you can use alcohol ink markers and stuff like that. So they're great for pretty much all the purposes, right? So she sent that in black. And then I have these gorgeous, oh, how cute. Oh, she has a snowy white one in here. Very curious to try that out because it's hard to get a good white kind of opaque ink. So that's really nice. And then we have Peachy Keen, Pink Tutu, Mrs. Periwinkle, Bali Blue, Four Leaf, Lantern Yellow, Kiss Me Red. And these are her little ink pads, of course, with the, this one's called At the Beach here. Sorry. And this is more of like your primary colors. And then Summer Shore. Again, it has the white ink there. Oh my goodness, I didn't see how deep these were. Okay, so we have this Swimming Hole, Lipstick Jungle, La Lavender, Key Lime Pie. More softer colors. They still look bright, but they're a little softer than like the other ones I just showed you. So this one's called County Fair. And then we have Iced Tea, Coffee Bean, Alloy, and Raven. So these are your basic black and browns and grays. Really pretty, called Cobblestone. Oh my gosh, Angie, thank you. And then we have here Grape Ape, Dandelion, Olive Branch, and In Your Face Orange. And I'm already thinking these are going to be awesome for my little pirouette creator. Jewelry beads. And then we have Scarlet Rose, Dark Wash Jeans, Evergreen, Plum Crazy. And these are deep, rich colors on the farm. So cute. Oh, okay, so let me... This thing is so cool. I had mentioned it before in another video. I said it looks like a little air hockey player, but it fits your hand really well. It's smaller than, I think, that kind of a thing. It has a really nice handle. So what you're supposed to do with this is it helps you stamp. Whenever you use a precision, like a stamp tool, let me show you. Let me grab one real quick. Let's say you have some paper, obviously your stamp, and it's all inked up, and when you go to push it down, you're kind of squishing all over the place, right? And that's, fine, but most of the time you miss something, but you can ink it up again and go again. With this guy, you just kind of roll over it, and generally you're gonna hit all the areas, and I mean almost 100%. So really cool to have something like this. And look, it has a little logo there, stampendable, and so I will keep this right here, and I'll use it as I make my videos. So thank you so much. It's a sweet tool to have. So this is one of the items that's on HSN. It's on there right now. So I think I'm going to go ahead and try this out today. So I was just showing you some of the items here, just so you have some familiarity if you're not familiar with LDRS Creative. So we'll do this little kit. It's the Giftable Card Kits Birthday. Super cute. Okay, guys, I'm going to open this up. Look at this. I can see there's like little blister packs in here. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then on LDRS's site itself, they have craft kits. So let me put this to the side here. And so this is the current craft kit. So let me open this up. I'll unbox it right now, and then I'll do a video for you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cool. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So these are actually toner inked screens, or, I'm saying, like acetate. I'll open it up in the the review video, but you can run this through whatever, you know, Mink or whatever foiling machine, hot foil machine you have, and it'll stick to these areas, right? Or you can just use it like this on a card or whatever you're going to use it, whatever project, and it's just black. So really, really cool. Really fun, innovative thing to add in there. And then this is the meat and potatoes, of course. We have our stamps and dies. So the stamp sets are Make-A-Wish, which has all your sentiments. So cute. We need a bigger cake. Yeah, I'm getting there. I'm already there. It's called Make-A-Wish, this set here. Let's party, happy, happy, thank you for being born. It's your big day, make a wish, all those sweet sentiments. And then this is the stamp and die set, the sweet birthday wishes. So we have the balloons, oh, the little word happy in like a balloon format. So cute, sweet birthday wishes. Lots of little background pieces, and I'm already thinking pirouette creator right here with these guys. The little strings for your balloons, and yeah, the word birthday and like little music. That's so cute. And then, of course, the dies that pretty much go along with everything that's not like a little background, you know, stamp. So cute. Oh, and then look at, okay, let's put this over here. And then the papers. Okay. So let's check these out. These are 6x6, I would believe. Let me see. Yeah. And they have a slight sheen to them. But they have like a tooth, like, I don't know how to explain it. They feel really nice. This is like a little honeycomb pattern. Then we have our little confetti, which is super cute. It's kind of more oriented around the edges and then dissipates down in the middle. We have a cute little stripe. Look at the colors. I love this colorway. Really unexpected and nice and bright and bold. The little zigzag or chevron pattern. We have a thin stripe. So cute. There's two of each. And then single-sided. And then the little pink kind of plaid. Just so sweet. And let's check out the papers. Oh my goodness. This gorgeous kind of fuchsia color here. And I might be on the back side of the paper, but they're the same on either side. Look at the yellow. Again, more of a goldenrod, but a little more yellow. And this beautiful, oh my goodness, what is this? Like, it looks pearlescent, but it looks like glitter. This is really pretty. Look at that. I don't know if I've ever seen paper with this treatment. It's really pretty. And it's like a light blue. So really, really nice. So again, this will be available, or is available already on the LDRS Creative site. I will have the links there for you guys. So let me put aside some things so I can bring out the little giftable card kits set, and we'll try it out. So this is something that's going to be, I would assume, demoed on the May 4th shows, or at least set up for May 4th for the HSN craft shows, but it is available already on the site there. So let's open this guy up. It says it makes 20 cards, happy birthday giftables. So we have these little like blister packs that are really deep. We have the card bases. Let's look through those. These appear to be standard A2 size. Yep. And look at this one with the little, oh, these are so cute, such sweet colors. And this is exactly, oh, that's so smart. So I've tried blister packs before, and I always think maybe you can put some foil behind it or something like that so you can still poke it open if you happen to put like a little treat in there. But look at this, it's already set up, so whatever you pop in there, the person, your recipient, can pop that open, okay? So basically it's like this. How cute! That is so smart. Okay, so we have this one with like the cute little stripes around the edges. Yeah, more of a kind of a corally pink color. This one here, oh, you know what, I have to put that up and then open them out. Again, coral, but with that little goldenrod and just a sweet colorway. Let me turn these this way, I suppose. This one has that kind of a teal, a little deeper blue than teal, but very, very pretty colorway with the stripes, again with the plaid. So it looks like we're changing out different stripes, plaids. We have some houndstooth. So cute. They have a really nice weight to them. Especially when you double it up, it's going to feel nice and thick. This one has the yellow and the blues. Super adorable. The green with the yellow. Oh my gosh. And this one has the kind of plaid pattern around there. Oh, this one has little polka dots. Oops, sorry. There's two of each. I just moved that one over. Green with like blue polka dots. And then we have some houndstooth. And then this guy with the yellow and the houndstooth around there. And then we have all these little sentiments, other little pieces that we can use. So let me open this up. I mean, this is tons. Tons of die cuts. We even have confetti. We have the little candles. Oh my goodness. Look at the little cupcake. Aww. Little faces. We can obviously use all interchangeable there. A bigger cupcake with the little face. Little guy, little lady, little, oh my gosh. With candles, without candles, with arms, without arms. All that kind of stuff and legs. Super cute. I mean, there's just tons of stuff in here. Oh my goodness. The little balloons. There's several of each of those. This one just has the Make-A-Wish with a little frame. So basically you can separate these out. So we'll talk about that in a minute. We have Happy Birthday. Oh my gosh, it's party time. So many candles, so little cake. And then, I mean, sentiments, you know, you are awesome at any age. We have party banners. My goodness, all kinds of sentiments. Larger and smaller ones. Remind me again how old you are. Remind me again how old you are pretending to be. That's, I think I need to, yeah. I'm not going to be any older than 42. All right, happy birthday to you. Look at that. You are awesome at any age. Lots of sweet sentiments. So what I'm going to do is, oh, let me show you in the inspiration sheet, which are always super cute. Full color, you know, just different ways to use your little, your kit here. And I mean, it's easy as, look at this. It's just the card base with, you know, a few little pieces, and it looks super, super cute. So what I'm going to do is pick out some things to use, and we'll put a little card together and we'll try it out. Okay, so I've chosen some pieces, and I'm gonna gear this more like towards a child, and pretty much all my food is packed up right now, you guys know. So I actually have these little erasers that are super cute. They're from the Dollar Tree. I mean, just adorable. I think they're going to fit in here really well. So I think I like the colorway on that. So I'm going to go with a balloon. The balloon's going to have a little face. I have It's Your Day. I have some confettis, and I chose this card base. So, I mean, the steps are just that easy. You know, choose your favorite card base and then insert the plastic pouch, which we'll do in a minute. You Z-fold the card, and then on the front of the card here, you know, whatever it is that you would like, which is super cute. So let me open this up. Actually, I just realized I hadn't shown you guys these, and we'll see how deep these are. And the other thing I was thinking of, I'm like, oh, you know, I saw on HSN that LDRS Creative has dies to make a thick envelope. And yeah, the light bulb went off. It's for these guys. If you noticed in this kit, there isn't an envelope. So you can definitely pick that up and, you know, use it for anything that's super thick that you create. But let me see if I can kind of gauge about how thick these are. These are like just over 1/2 inch deep. So the first thing, we're going to pop this through here, and it says to adhere it. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on this edge, and I'll pop it through, and then I'll fill it with our little items. So I'm just putting some glue around here. Oopsie. Just around the edge, kind of closer to the edge than the center part of it. And I'll just pop that through. And I'm actually going to close it up just so I can hold that down. But definitely check if you do this and you're using a wet glue that you're not gluing it shut already. So I'm going to keep holding this till it sets up, and I'll be right back. Okay, as I'm holding this, I don't really think I have to wait for this to actually set up because we're going to close it anyway, so yeah. So what I'm going to do is pop in my little erasers, and yeah, I mean, they fit perfectly. How cute. I just chose a few colors. But whatever treat you want to put in there, you can pop that in there. And then we're going to close this up. So it does say to Z-fold the card and adhere the back of the first card section, which is already in that position. So all you're doing is basically just closing this up. Of course, you don't want to close that flap, this one here. But I will get kind of around that area. I'm going to bring that over and glue that together. So the reason I'm able to do that easily, like I said, the card is already Z-folded for you. You don't have to do anything other than popping in that plastic back there, putting in your treat, and then adhering these two sides together. Of course, when you open it, it's like this. And the other thing I think is really smart, because I was thinking about how I want to orient my card, is that this is oriented so that if you orient it this way and the person opens it, you know, it says open here. But if you also orient it this way, just know this flap should be at the top. When they open it up like this, it says this is for you, so it's already oriented correctly for either way. All right, I'm gonna let this, actually while I'm sitting here, I was gonna just kind of smooth it out. And I don't know if you noticed, some of the holes, the apertures are up high or they're in the middle or, you know, however you'd like. So that's kind of cool that they switched it around a few times here. I was kind of looking at this and I was thinking about how I want to orient my card. Again, it opens this way, so this would be the base here. I have my little guy. Basically, you're gonna pop this out. You can save that for something else. If you were to put it behind, you know, you're gonna close off that little opening, so you can use that for something else. We have our little green balloon outline. The little face, so cute. Yeah, you know what, maybe I'll orient it this way. I was gonna do the other portrait, as they call it, and I have some little confettis. And that's, you know, as quick and easy as you can make an adorable card that has a little extra something in there. So yeah, that's what I'll do. So while I'm waiting for this to glue down, what I'll do is adhere this. Super cute. And you guys know I have a lot of the little fairy kits that are, again, easy to put together, and they're adorable, and they're already colored for you. So that's always really, really fun and nice. Let's put that way. So smart. And then this guy, I'll put some dimensional adhesives on the back of this. And we can just glue these guys wherever it is. I just have some little confettis I chose. Actually, let me put this one over here, and I'll put this one. No, yeah, that's how. This little guy over here. And I'll put the little face on. So cute. Okay, let me get some dimensionals on this and I'll be right back. I have, yay, it's your day. I mean, there's so many more pieces. There's just tons of little, I mean, look at this. Where's that little, take your little hat, put it on right there. You know what? Let's do that. Why not? Yeah, just so many super cute pieces in here. So thank you so much, Angie, for sending these for review, for trying out. Keep an eye out. I'll have the review and tutorial of the kit there for the craft kit for LDRS Creative, and I'll have links for you guys. Thanks for watching. Look at that. I mean, there's so much you can put in there. I mean, even I chose the 5 because I thought, okay, that's about right, but I probably could have put 6 or 7 of those guys in there. Super cute. And then, you know, your recipient gets it and they open it up. And you have plenty of room, obviously, for your sentiment or for your note, which is really nice. That's always another issue we have with cards, right? Sometimes, we make them in a way that, okay, now where are we going to write what we want to say? And then it just opens up, and I'm not going to pick it open because I am definitely going to use this card. So super cute. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, and keep an eye out for more videos. And again, May 4th Craft Day, but this is already available there on HSN. I'll have the links for you. And I'll have the links for all the items there in the description box. Like I said, some are on LDRS Creative, and this kit here is on HSN site. So thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much, Angie, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.